I'm Joel Murphy and this is my bridge presentation for Engineering 10003. Start with materials. My bridge is primarily made out of these Lego Technic truss beams, which are made out of plastic. These axles, which are also plastic, and these joint connectors, if you can see them, which are also plastic. So the bridge is 624 millimeters in length and 110 millimeters wide. The the max load I have recorded on it is 5.5 kilograms, and hopefully I can get it to load that much this time, but it's a bit finicky. Obviously, the bridge isn't designed so much to take force on the top, so it could probably theoretically take more force if the force were being concentrated on the bottom part of the bridge. However, I don't have weights for that. So 4 kilograms, it's pretty good. Now, I pray, oh, something cracked. Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, that seems successful. Now, here is, I'm pretty sure where it's going to fail. I've never done more than this. So let's see. Oh, something's cracked. Yeah, there we go. So, as you could see, as the bridge deformed, it's mostly, obviously the bottom part of the bridge sagging downwards. The points that have failed of the beams that distribute the force upwards. Ideally, they would be longer between this point and this point, so they could more effectively do their job of distributing the load on the bridge to the other members. Unfortunately, I only have limited pieces, so I had to do what I could. Let's see. During the building process, I went through 2 versions, mostly. It's pretty much the same as this one, however these beams here, the diagonals, were smaller beams. If you can see the comparison size, they're a bit bigger now, so that way they more effectively distribute the weight, and that roughly upped the load it could hold by about half a kilo, which isn't a whole lot. Mostly the weak points in the bridge were obviously the diagonal beams. Elsewhere that is weak is when the bridge is wider, which was in my first iteration, the bridge tends to deflect inwards, which would be solved if I had more of these axles, but unfortunately I don't. To improve the bridge, obviously I'd have more of these axles and probably longer horizontal beams, so that way it could better distribute the force across the bridge. Yeah.